Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to write a Pinescript in TradingView. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So what is Pinescript? Pinescript is TradingView's native programming language designed to create custom trading tools such as indicators, strategies, and alerts on the platform. TradingView is one of the most popular technical analysis and trading platforms, used by over 50 million traders across the globe. Compared to other programming languages, Pinescript is a lightweight script designed to interact with TradingView in as few lines as possible. Many users compare it to Python, but traders experienced with any programming language should have an easy time learning Pine script. Pinecode is created with Pine Editor, a native element of TradingView's online platform. So, how to use Pinescript? You can start using Pinescript in a few quick steps. Log into TradingView or open an account. Go to tradingview.com/charts and open the trading panel. Select forex.com from the list of brokers and log in using live or demo accounts. Select the Pine Editor button on the same toolbar as the trading panel. From there, you can create custom indicators and strategies using Pinescript. Keep reading for introductions on how to create Pinescript. How to write code in Pinescript. To create a Pinescript, start by defining an indicator or strategy using the indicator or strategy keyword. Next, define the inputs such as the length of a moving average or the threshold for a particular indicator. Then establish trading signals or alerts based off the indicators used. For example, a script could be designed to generate a buy signal when a particular indicator crosses above a certain threshold or a sell signal when it crosses below a threshold. Before implementing, you can use TradingView's backtesting feature to see how your scripted strategy would play out in past market conditions. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.